Hello everybody, here I have the 5-inch box spring frame. This was super easy to set up. Everything had letters on it, so you knew what all the pieces were. It had good instructions. All of the screws were in little baggies with letters, so it was super easy to set everything up. It didn't take very long. Now, this frame isn't on legs, it's just a base, so it's gonna be very sturdy as opposed to it being on legs. It can hold up to 3,000 pounds, so it is very sturdy. What I like about this is there's a lot of ways to dress this up. You can get a cover if you want to cover the steel frame, or if you want, I've seen a lot of people get like cushions around it. So there's just like an infinite amount of ways to really dress this up. There's a lot of things you can do. So for a fairly inexpensive price, you can get a nice quality sturdy frame that's going to support you sleeping throughout the night. So I definitely recommend picking one of these up and then looking at all the different ways that you can dress these up and tailor it to your liking in your room. Definitely check it out and pick one out for yourself.